Parameter values. This tool enables intelligent editing of parameters within the project. Values can be quickly transferred between elements or text fragments automatically replaced. An additional export/import function allows selected parameters to be saved to an Excel file and easily imported back. It is an ideal solution for updating specifications, technical descriptions, or implementing large project changes. This option saves time and eliminates errors which may occur during manual edition. The selected element contains a comments parameter with the value xxx and a mark parameter with the value yyy. The parameter values tool is now demonstrated in practice. After selecting the tool icon, the Change Parameters function is chosen. Select one element, and the program automatically highlights all elements of the same type throughout the project. This is possible by selecting the All Instances of Selected Types option. The key step: choose the mark parameter as the data source. The value yyy will be automatically transferred to the comments field for all selected elements. Confirm your selection with the OK button, and you're done. We select the Change Parameters function again. This time select 3 elements and then choose the Selected Elements Only option. This ensures the parameter change applies exclusively to these 3 sockets. Similarly, select the mark parameter as the data source and the comments parameter as the data target field. Confirm your selection with OK, and the task is complete. Select the Change Parameters function once more. Select several visible sockets on which we will apply parameter changes. In this example, select the Value Swap option and choose the mark parameter from the list. We will replace the value yyy with the word test1, entering it into the target value field. Confirm your selection with OK, and the task is complete. Let's perform a practical task where we will export the numbering of all blue sockets. Select the relevant area and launch the Filter tool using the F keyboard shortcut. Select the filter by color, blue. Next, select the Parameter Values tool and the Export/Import function. The program window allows you to choose all elements from the model, elements from the active view, or only the selected ones. In our case, the blue sockets. Indicate your choice, and then select the parameter where the socket numbering is stored. Comments. Click the Export button and save the file in CSV format. The task is complete. Data is safely stored. Now let's replace all socket numbers with the word test, and then we will restore the lost data. Now let's import all the data previously saved in the CSV file. All socket numbers have been restored. This is a truly important and useful tool for daily work. Exporting key parameters and the ability to import them protects your data and allows for quick restoration whenever necessary.